All right, how's it going, 2-Way Gang? I'm Rizzo, owner, founder of Ophidian Tactical Solutions, and today we are going to field strip a Sig Sauer AXG Scorpion. Stay tuned. Let's rock. All right, 2-Way Gang. So today we are going to field strip the Sig Sauer AXG Scorpion. You can see mine here with the Foxtrot 1X WML weapons mounted light, and I have a Swamp Fox Kingslayer red dot on there. But let's get down to it. Now, first thing we want to do again is make sure the gun is clear. So we will put it up and make sure there's no ammo inside. You want to put your pinky in there, make sure there's nothing there. It's always important. Make sure your gun is clear at all times. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the takedown lever and you're going to rotate it till it stops about 90 degrees. Rotate it. So it's rotated. It's ready to come off real easy. Just pull it back and slide it right off. So once again, you got your grip module and you got your slides. What you want to do is you want to take the recoil assembly, push it slightly forward, lift up, pull it out. And you're going to take your barrel, just grab it by the locking cams and pull it up. And there you go. Now, one thing that you really need to remember when you put this back together, if you put the barrel in, you want to make sure that the recoil assembly is sitting straight up like that with the two holes in it. If it's sideways, it's not, the slide's not going to fit back on the grip module. So you put it in, you slide it all the way in, and you make sure that it's sitting up like that. That way it'll slide back on. Okay. All right. So next video we'll go over cleaning and oiling it down. You know, some people like oil, some people like grease, some people like both. So we'll go over that in the next video. Until then, we'll see you next time. Y'all have a good one.